There is a little house in the forest. A mouse runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house?
Nobody answers the little mouse. Now the mouse lives in the little house. A frog runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house? I'm a mouse. Who are you? I'm a frog. Let's live together.
Now the mouse and the frog live together. A hare runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house?
I'm a mouse. I'm a frog. Who are you?
I'm a hare. Let's live together.
A fox runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house?
I'm a mouse. I'm a frog.
I'm a hare. Who are you?
I'm a fox. Let's live together.
A wolf runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house?
I'm a mouse. I'm a frog.
I'm a hare.
I'm a fox. Who are you?
I'm a wolf. Let's live together. A bear runs by the house.
Who lives in the little house?
I'm a mouse. I'm a frog.
I'm a hare.
I'm a fox.
I'm a wolf. Who are you?
I'm a bear. Let's live together.
You are too big.
Says the frog.
You can't live with us in the little house.
Says the fox.
I can, but I can.
The bear roars and climbs up to the roof. And he breaks the little house down. Oh, poor animals. Now they haven't got a house.
Let's build a new house.
Says the mouse. The new house is nice and big. Even the bear can live in it. Look, what have the animals got? Yes, they have got a new big house. How many animals are there in the fairy tale? There are 6 animals. Are there 2 mice in the little house? No, there is only 1 mouse. Are there 3 wolves in the little house? No, there is 1 wolf. Where is the little house? It's in the forest. Do you like the house? So, now you know a fairy tale about animals and their house. Also, you have reviewed some grammar rules.